organizing 5 days FDP on blockchain technologies under TCube 3. I feel honored to receive this opportunity to deliver a speech on this inaugural session. I owe my sincere thanks to one of the renowned experts, industry experts from Ditto Security, Mr. Ajinkya Lohakre sir and Mr. Sarath Chandra sir. Mr. Ajinkya Lohakre sir is a CTO and founder in Ditto Security, and Mr. Sarath Chandra sir is a seasoned developer blockchain in Ditto Security from Mumbai. After attending all sessions, participants get benefited and understand fundamentals of blockchain, developing applications, building, deploying, surveying different applications. That's why we all are assembled here, going through various case studies. With these words, I again welcome our participants, congratulate our coordinator for organizing and conducting such a wonderful FDP. And with these words, I welcome all for this wonderful 5 days journeys with two different sessions, one at 10:30 to 12:30 and another at 2 to 4 p.m. Thank you all. Thank you once again. Over to Abhilash Madam.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, allow me to briefly introduce you all to our guest and speaker of session 1, Mr. Ajinkya Lohkare, sir. Mr. Ajinkya Lohkare, sir, is a CTO and founder at Ditto Security, Mumbai. He is an independent computer security and digital intelligence consultant and has definitive experience in the field of computers. He has authored several best-selling books on computer security, which have been appreciated by both professionals and industry leaders the world over. He has also conducted more than 100 training sessions on various topics related to computer security. He is well known in IT industry because of his achievements. Mr. Ajinkya has won many awards. A few of his achievements and awards include Best Series Entrepreneur Award winner, India Business Award winner, Virtual World Record holder, Assam Book of World Record holder, Maha E Best Entrepreneur Award winner. With these words, I would like to hand over the session to Mr. Ajinkya Lohkare, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. My
Good
voice is
morning.
audible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So I'll just share my screen right away. Wait for a minute. Screen visible or not? My screen is
Yes,
visible or not?
yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay. My presentation is visible now, sir. Can hello?
Mm. At present, presentation is not
Oh,
visible, but your screen is visible, and I think it has been stopped.
okay. Wait for a minute.
Yeah.
Now it's visible or not?
No, still not visible.
Okay. Stop presenting. Visible or not, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Visible now?
Yeah. Now it is visible.
Okay. Presentation is visible or not?
No, sir. No. Present. Now it is visible.
Okay,
Yeah,
Yes.
visible or
yeah.
not?
Now it is visible.
Okay. So from India, indeed. My name is Ajinkya, and I am a computer security guy. I'm a blockchain expert, and I'm a CTO and founder of Social Spectra and Dito Security from Mumbai. I conducted more than 300 plus workshops in all over globe, and I have given a lot of talks like Josh Talk, TED Talks, and many more. And I'm nominated for the different kind of awards like Indian Business Awards and many more. Um, so basic questions to all of you now right away. How many of you have ever casted a vote? Because right now, blockchain technology is very important in our day-to-day life. So how many of you have ever casted a vote? You can put your answer in chat box also, okay? So then how do you make sure that the person or the purpose you voted for get votes? Like, do you have any proof of that? And ever you heard the same story from United States to India, the two world biggest democracies, people always have insecurities after casting a vote. And then there is a re-elections or the recounting. But isn't it funny? Like after the re-elections or the recounting, most of the people don't feel insecure. And at the same time, I would just like to say it's just a waste of time. It's just a waste of money again. Because that relations and that recounting is happening under the same governance, is happening under the same government. Then why would you believe the second time at the same system? If you already had allegations against it at first place, this is one of the perfect examples where the blockchain technology could be the solution for this. Now, what is the blockchain technology? Incredibly popular, but at the same time, boring topic again and again. And I can see the most of the faces in the audience, or most of the heartbeats in the audience. I understand. Well, it was same for me until I came to know what exactly this weird technology. And why weird? Because if you see the popularity of the blockchain, and you can search on Google, you will get almost 244 million results. And after summing up those results, technology which is trustworthy. You don't need any central authority. It's a transparent system. Sounds like pretty good, right? And then came this statement like it's an immutable, it's an incorruptible, it's a distributed system. What does that mean? And I have also heard from people says, blockchain is a Bitcoin and the only applications of the blockchain is cryptocurrency, which does not make any sense. It's just like saying India is the whole world and whole world is India, which does not make any sense until we go to war with each and every country. Hello? And take control of them. And then we can say that. But I don't think our government is planning to do that, at least in the near future. Hello? Please unmute your mic, please. Ma'am, what do you- Hello? Just a minute.
Yes,
just a
sir.
minute.
Ajinkya sir, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, what?
There is some
Why
disturbance.
not clear?
There is some disturbance.
Okay, wait. Okay. So well, it was same for me. You can hear me right now. My voice
Yes,
is
sir.
audible
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
We can hear you.
Okay, no problem then. Well, it was same for you. It was same for me until I came to know what exactly this weird technology. And why weird? Because if you see the popularity of the blockchain and you can search on Google, you will get almost 244 million results. And after summing up those results, please unmute your mic. Right now, I'm audible now. Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible now.
Yes.
Okay. Well, it was same for me until I came on exactly this weird technology. And why weird? Because if you see the popularity of the blockchain and you can search on Google, you will get almost 244 million results. And after summing up those results, it's a technology which is a trustworthy. You don't need any central authority. it's a transparent system. Sounds like pretty good, right? And then came the statement like it's an immutable, it's an incorruptible and distributed system. What does that mean? And I have also heard from people says blockchain is a Bitcoin, and the only applications of the blockchain is a cryptocurrency, which does not make any sense. And blockchain is only used in the financial sector, which is not true. It's just like saying yeah, the whole world and whole world is India, which don't make any sense until we go to war with each and every country and take control of them, and then we can say that. But I don't think our government is planning to do that, at least in the near future. I really don't blame people who have this concept, because that's what they have been presented with. So a lot of the my interpretations of the technology can solve the many problems we have in the society. So keep it simple. It's an online distributed system which can store the information. And it's clear from name, blockchain. It's a chain of blocks which contains the information, and it's interconnected blocks. Means anyone can the blockchain, and whoever joined the blockchain, he will get all the information about each and every block. So let's take a real life example. There are three friends, Anna, Carmen, and Kolo. Anna has $100, Carmen has $60, and Kolo has $50. Anna and Carmen both already in blockchain, so they both know each other. Means Anna knows Carmen has $60, Carmen knows Anna has $100. And if Kolo wants to join the blockchain, he has to be provide the proof of he owes of $40. And on the basis of that proof, Anna and Carmen accept him or reject him. And if Kolo have been accepted into the blockchain, he will get all the information about Anna and Carmen. And right now, three of them know each other. Means Anna knows Carmen how much dollar, Carmen knows Kolo how much dollar, Kolo knows Anna how much dollar. Means all three people know each other, right? And let's say, for example, somebody who wants to cheat the system. For example, Kolo wants saying $200, sorry, Carmen wants to send $200 to Kolo, but the transaction cannot proceed. Because Anna and Kolo knows Carmen only have $60, and she she cannot do the transaction more than $60. So this property which makes blockchain so secure. There is another property which makes the blockchain so secure is peer-to-peer nature of work. Like instead of having the central authority which normal banks have, normal banks contains the information about each and every block, and they manage the block, right? But blockchain doesn't, no one can control the blockchain. No one central authority control the blockchain. So that's why the blockchain is very, very decentralized. It's a very distributed system. No one can beat the blockchain. No one can hack the blockchain. And I'm sorry for that, but everything on the internet is hackable. Blockchain is also hackable because every single device is connected to the internet. So that's why blockchain is also hackable. But hack the blockchain is very difficult in a manner of security, because we have to change different hashes. You have to change the, when you create any kind of transactions, your hash will completely change. So why do we need this kind of technology? And there are three kind of things on each and every block. There are three kind of things on each and every block. First is a block. First is the data. Every block contains the information. For example, Bitcoin blockchain contains the information about sender, receiver, or amount. For example, Bitcoin block contains the information about sender, receiver, or the amount. Then, every block has a hash. Every block has a hash, which is very unique to each and every block, just like as a fingerprint. And we identify the block with using the hash. Then every block contains the hash of the previous block as well. So there are the three things is very important. First is data, second is hash, and third is previous block hash. Every block contains the hash of the previous block as well. Then next thing is that what is a hash, or what is a hash function? So basically hash is a string of numbers and letters produced by hash function. A hash function is a mathematical function that takes a variable number of characters and convert it into a string of fixed number of character. Or you can say hash is just a string of letters or the character. When you put any kind of input, like in letters, your hash will completely change. When you change any kind of string, your hash will completely change. And when you do any kind of transactions, when you create any kind of transactions in a block, your block create a new hash every time. So this is what a hash means. Every block contains the hash, and which is very unique to each and every block, just like as a fingerprint, and we identify the block with using the hash. So for example, input cat, the hash of cat is the 935 G56, like that. And when you change any kind of letter, when you change any kind of string here, your hash will completely change. It's just a letter, or it's just number. You can change any kind of string, your hash will completely change. Means your block created a new hash. Means when you create a new transactions, when you dismiss the new transactions, your hash will generate. That's it. So next, there are 10 important points when you're creating any kind of blockchain. First, a blockchain is a type of diary. You can say blockchain means blockchain is a diary or the spreadsheet, right? Blockchain is a type of diary or a spreadsheet containing information about transactions. A blockchain is a type of diary or the spreadsheet containing information about transactions. Each transaction generates a hash. When you need any kind of transactions in the blocks, they create a hash. Third, a hash is a string of letters and numbers. Hash is a string. What is the hash function? Hash is a string of letters and numbers. Fourth, transactions are entered into the order in which they occur. Order is very important in a blockchain. And the first block is called as the Genesis blocks. And the first block do not indicate this block hash, and so that's it. So first block we call as Genesis block. So transactions are entered into the order in which they occur. Order is very important. Fifth, the hash not depend on transaction, the previous transaction hash. I also even a small change in the transactions, even a small change in the transaction creates a completely new hash. The node to make sure the transaction has not been changed by inspecting the hash. 8. If transaction is approved by the majority of the nodes, if transaction is the majority of the nodes, then it is written into the block. Means it just called the proof of work method or the proof of stake method. A block is effective and spread over many computers. When you create, I already informed you, a blockchain is a type of diary or spreadsheet. And when when I spread this kind of spreadsheet all over there, the different kind of the computers, and they are all computers are the nodes. So these computers are called as the nodes. And blockchain update itself every 10 minutes. Last point is that blockchain update itself every 10 minutes. So here we go. A blockchain is a diary that is impossible to forge, or you can say the blockchain is a chain of blocks which contains the information, or you can say like it's a one kind of spreadsheet. It contains the information about transaction, it contains the information about healthcare record, it contains the information about legal record, whatever, right? The next, what is the proof of work method? What is the proof of work method? So basically, proof of work is a system that requires some work from the service requester, usually meaning processing time by your computer. Producing proof of work is a random process with low probability. So normally a lot of trials and error is required for valid proof of work to be generated. When it comes to Bitcoin, hash is what serves as a proof of work. So basically, what is a proof of work? Proof of work means your block is valid or not. Means your block hashes start from 4 zeros, means your block is valid. And your block hashes not start from 4 zeros, means your block is invalid. So this is one kind of proof of. So this is called a proof of work. Right? Then next, where can blockchain be used? So where can blockchain be used? First, in the payment processing and money transfer. You can use blockchain in the payment transfer method. For example, in banking sector, you can use blockchain in the banking sector, because in banking sector we rely on when we do any kind of transactions, we rely on bank. We rely on the bank authority. And when you do any kind of transaction, it takes several days. It takes several time. But in blockchain, we can do the same transaction in several seconds, and in a very security and efficient manner. We can do transactions in any efficient manner with using the blockchain technology. Second is the monitor supply chain. For example, like a food chain, you can trace any kind of product, you can trace any kind of thing with using the blockchain technology. Then retail loyalty reward program, digital identifications. You can identify each and every person with using the blockchain. Data sharing, food safety, copyright and royalty protections, digital voting, real estate and land. By the way, why do we need this kind of technology? Why do we need blockchain technology? Hello, my voice is audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Voice is not clear.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay, cool. So, why do we need this kind of technology? Why do we need the blockchain technology? For example, why do we have to pay a huge amount of extra fees just doing a transaction between the two agreed parties? Why do we have to pay a huge amount of just for the third parties? For example, if I buy medicine from some medical, if I buy some medical medicines from some medical, would I make sure that the medicine came from the same manufacturer or the same company? Date which is just date which is written on the box, and at the end I trust the seller. And this is not the end here. How many of you bought something online, like for example eBay? If I supposed to pay the kind of amount before receiving the product, if I am not receiving the product, how will I get my money back? So that's why we need the technology. That's why we need your voice is late slightly. So that's why we need hello. You can hear me properly or not? Hello. Okay. So your voice is late slightly. Yes. Okay. So and that's one point I'll highlight here. Slide is not visible. Okay. Here we go. So my one point is when I paid about the when I pay such kind of taxes to government, and make sure that the government is used on me, or it just real or not. So that's why we need such a kind of technology. We need a blockchain technology, and this kind of technology was described in 1991 by a group of researchers. But it was but until it was never been so important. When cryptocurrencies called Bitcoin, it was used as the first blockchain cryptocurrencies in 2015. Okay, so you can use. My screen is visible, sir. No, just a minute. Voice is breaking. My screen slide is visible now. Screen visible, but audio breaking. Wait for a minute. Okay, so where can the blockchain be used? First is a bank. So here we go. You can see my screen here, notepad. You can see my notepad. My screen is visible or not? Yes, visible.
So
Cool.
screen.
So you can use blockchain in banks. Hello.
Yes. Now.
Okay. So my voice,
So now it is
voice is
visible.
good now or not? Okay, cool. So no problem. So you can create a different kind of legal agreement with using the blockchain technology. Means you can create a smart contract type blockchain, right? So legal agreement means you don't want any kind of the lawyers. You don't want any kind of intermediaries between any kind when you do any kind of the legal agreement. Then legal services, you can create the smart contract, and these are legally binding contract that are written in a code. So what is a smart contract? Smart contracts are the executable bit of codes, and no one can control the smart contracts because it's written by human being, and it's controlled by algorithms and computers. Then last is fourth is online voting. I already mentioned first, like so you could outline. Do you have any proof of that you vote or not? So you can do secure. You can do the online voting with using the blockchain technology. The next is stock trading. You can record transactions and data. Food productions means you can use the supply chain management with using blockchain technologies, tracking goods from far to goal, like basic to end. You can track anything from the destination, from destination to reaches point, to tracking goods from the far to four. Airlines. In airlines now, the blockchain speed up passenger identification and processing. With using the blockchain technology, we can speed up the passenger identification and processing. Means you can put different kind of the visas and different kind of the passports in one ledgers, and you can identify those people with using the blockchain technology. And passport could be stored on the ledger. That's it. Next is personal identifications. With using the blockchain technology, you can put your all the IDs on the one kind of ledgers and create a web source, and this is a secure records, and this would reduce theft and loss of documents. And last is music rights. When any kind of director, when any kind of singer create their own music, the transactions will directly transfer to their accounts. means which platform going to be used such a kind of music, which platform, how many downloads, how many songs people are going to be used. So that transaction is directly transferred to their accounts in the directors or the with using such a kind of like music, right, with using the blockchain technology. And last is health data. You can record any kind of the informations with using the blockchain technology. So there are a lot of examples are available on the internet, means how blockchain technology works. So first is bank, second is legal agreement, third is legal services, fourth is online voting, fifth is stock trading, sixth is food production, seventh is airlines, then personal identifications, ninth is the music right, and 10th health data. Okay. Okay, then next. Screen visible now. Slide is not visible. Presentation is not visible.
So present now again. So click on present now.
Okay. Not visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is not visible.
Wait for a minute.
Yeah, you need to
Screen
again.
is okay.
Someone else has stopped sharing and created
Okay.
his own sharing.
Resume. Stop screen sharing.
Yeah. Now it is visible.
Okay. So you missed the recent content. You missed the recent content, right?
Yes.
Can I repeat once again?
And you can continue, sir.
Okay. So
If someone has problem, then they will ask.
okay, no problem then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So next is how to buy a Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin with flat currencies, such as you can buy Bitcoin. It's a very simple process. Means how to buy Bitcoin, how to sell Bitcoin, how to buy Ether, how to sell Ether. You can buy you can buy Bitcoins with the trading. You can buy Ether with the trading. You can using the peer-to-peer trading. You can buy Ether with using the exchange method. So how to buy a Bitcoin? First step is that you can buy Bitcoin flat currencies such as USD and also with the different kind of currencies. First, visit official website. I will demonstrate each and everything after the theory. Okay. So first, visit official website, that is bitcoin.com or bitcoin.org. It's a very simple method. Second, select the currency you want to buy, means which kind of currency you want to buy, like Ether, Bitcoin, or whatever you want, right? So third, choose whether you want to buy in USD or in any other local currencies and enter the amount. So first, visit website called bitcoin.com or the bitcoin.org. Select the currency you want to buy, means which kind of currency you want to buy. Third, choose whether you want to buy in USD or any other local currency and then enter the amount. And fourth, carefully review, add your wallet address and click continue. So this is a very simple method. Go to the website like bitcoin.org or bitcoin.com. You can buy any kind of cryptocurrencies from that kind of website. Okay, bitcoin.com or the bitcoin.org. The second is that how to buy Bitcoin from the bitcoin.com wallet. So first, open the bitcoin.com wallet app on your device. Tap the green buy button or tap the orange button if you want to buy Bitcoin. First, open the bitcoin.com wallet app on your device. Tap the green buy button if you want to buy Bitcoin. And tap the orange button if you want to buy Bitcoin. Sorry, Bitcash. If you want to buy Bitcash, you just tap the button like green button. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, you just visit like orange button. And follow the instructions on the screen and deposit coins to the preferred account. You will be promoted to verify your identity. You just verified your identity. Once complete, your purchase will proceed. After your first transaction purchases, which include identification, verifications, and when you do any kind of transactions, when you purchase any kind of things, future purchases even faster. So first, open the bitcoin.com wallet app on your device. Second, tap the green buy button if you want to buy Bitcoin Cash and tap the orange button if you want to buy Bitcoin. Follow the screen instructions on the website. You will be promoted to verify your identity. Once complete your purchase, will proceed. After your first purchase, which include identification verifications and future purchases even faster. As simple as that. Next, how to sell Bitcoin or how to buy Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin with using the bitcoin.org. You can sell Bitcoin with using the bitcoin.org. Means you can use any kind of website. There are a lot of websites available on the internet like Coinbase, then Binance, and different kind of websites. So from peer-to-peer trading platform, first visit localbitcoin.com and create an account. Second, find an existing seller looking to sell Bitcoin, that is a Bitcoin Cash, or create a new buy order itself. Third, open a trader with your chosen seller and they will send the BCH to the blind escrow account. I will demonstrate each and everything after the theoretical part, after the concept of understanding. Okay, so visit local.bitcoin.com and create an account. Second, find an existing seller looking to sell Bitcoin or cash, or you create a new buy order itself. Third, open a trade with your chosen seller and they will send the BCH to the blind escrow account. Fourth, once you have sent the agreed payments via bank transfer or the other payments method, once you send the agreed payments via bank transfer methods or the other payment method, the seller will confirm they received the funds and then send to your digital wallets. Means how to sell the Bitcoin with using bitcoin.org, with using bitcoin.com. That's it. Then how to buy Ether or how to buy a Bitcoin with using the cryptocurrency exchange. Visit the cryptocurrency exchange. Second, create an account and verify your identity as required. Third, follow the website instructions to buy your Bitcoin Cash or the Bitcoin. First, visit the cryptocurrency exchange. Second, create an account and verify your identity as required. Follow the website instructions to buy your Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin. Then fourth, your coin will appear in the exchange's wallet connected to your exchange account. And finally, move your Bitcoin to your personal wallet to keep it more secure. So you can buy with using cryptocurrency exchange also. So how to sell Bitcoin on the bitcoin.com, how to sell, how to buy a Bitcoin with using the, for example, tap the discover tab, scroll through the services, selling Bitcoin, how to sell the Bitcoin with using the bitcoin.com wallet. So first, wait for a minute. What is the difference between the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin Cash? I will inform you after, okay? So you can ask me any questions after the end of the session, like we can discuss on the question and Q&A question and answer session. So here is the selling Bitcoin on the bitcoin.com wallet. Tap the discover tab, middle tab button on the bottom. So first, tap the tap the discover tab. You just visit the bitcoin.com. Tap the discover tab. That is the middle tab button or at the bottom. You can scroll through services to find crypto2hash and tap the button. Third, sign up to this third-party provider. They will require your personal detail and banking information like credit card, debit card information, and you can buy with using banking details. So after signing up, you will be able to type in how much Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash you would like to sell. And fifth, send the BTC or Bitcoin Cash or the Bitcoin, and after 6 confirmation, approximately 60 minutes, the order will be complete. It will take some time. And watch your email inbox for more information from Crypto2hash. Then sixth, follow Crypto2hash directions and the funds will be sent to your bank account you provided. Once again, tap the discover tab on bitcoin.com. Scroll through services to find Crypto2hash and tap the button. Third, provide your banking information and you can do transactions with using banking information and you can sell. After signing up, you will be able to type in how much Bitcoin you sell and send the BTC or the BCH, and after confirmations, the order will take 60 minutes. And follow the Crypto2hash directions and the funds will be sent to a bank account. That's it. Then next, on our peer-to-peer trading platform like BCH only. So visit local Bitcoin. I already tell you can visit localbitcoin.com, Bitcoin.org and create an account. Second is find an existing buyer looking to purchase Bitcoin Cash or create a new sale order yourself. Find an existing buyer looking to purchase Bitcoin Cash or create a new sale order itself. Open a trade with your chosen buyer and send your BCH to the blind escrow account. So it's just same like as a bitcoin.com or bitcoin.org. So same like as cryptocurrency exchange. So next thing is that what is Ethereum? What is Ethereum? Anyone please, can you please tell me what is Ethereum? Please put your answer in the chat box. What is Ethereum? Please tell me what is Ethereum. Anybody know about what is Ethereum? So please inform me. Okay, it's a technology. Okay, so don't know. Okay. So what is Ethereum? So basically Ethereum is just like, but it's not a currency. It's just like a Bitcoin, but it's not a currency. No one can control the Ethereum. With using Ethereum, you can create a different breed of applications. You can create the decentralized applications. You can do a transaction with using Ethereum, and create a different breed kind of applications with using, like, you create decentralized applications with using Ethereum platform. So what is the Ethereum? Ethereum and an internet where money and payment built in. Second, an internet where users can own data, your apps don't spy and steal from you. No one can control the whole network. An internet where everyone has access to an open financial system. Fourth, an internet built on neutral, open access controlled by no person. No one is controlling like Ethereum. So what is the Ethereum? Ethereum is it's not a currency. It's a platform. You can create a different kind of decentralized applications with using Ethereum, and the native cryptocurrencies of Ethereum is like Ether. You can use Ether for the transactions. You want to buy such a kind of amount. It's just like as a Bitcoin. So an internet where money and payment built in. Second, an internet where users can own their data and your apps don't spy and steal from you. Third, an internet where everyone has access to an open financial system. Fourth, an internet built on neutral, open access infrastructure controlled by no person. Next, what is the Ether? After the popularity of blockchain, Vitalik Buterin launched Ethereum in 2015. After the creations of Bitcoin, after the popularity of the blockchain, Vitalik Buterin developed Ethereum in the 2015, launched Ethereum in 2015. And Ethereum is a world programmable blockchain. Ethereum has a native cryptocurrency called Ether. So what is Ether? Ether is just a cryptocurrency for Ethereum. So first, Ethereum launched in 2015. You can create a different kind of decentralized applications with using the Ethereum, and you can build a smart contract with using the Solidity programming language in Ethereum. Means you want to create such a kind of smart contract. You can create a smart contract with using the Ethereum or the Solidity programming language. So Ethereum launched in 2015. Ethereum is a world programmable blockchain. Ethereum has a native cryptocurrency called Ether. Then next, how to buy Ether. So how to buy Ether? Here we go. There's a lot of websites available here, like Binance.com. I just open one website, that is Binance. Then second, that is Coinbase.com. Third, Gemini.com. Fourth, Kraken.com. Screen visible or not visible? Hello? Hello?
Sir, screen is visible, but presentation is not visible. Your screen, your
presentation is not visible. Okay.
Need screen and your browser.
Presentation not Google Chrome browser. You can see your Google Chrome browser. Not.
I can see your browser. Kraken.com.
Only
whatever.
Yes, it's cool. Then it's all right. Okay, so how to buy a Ether? There are a lot of websites available here. Right now, visible, na, sir? You can check my Google Chrome browser here. Right?
Yeah. Kraken.com is visible.
Kraken.com, then Gemini.com, then Coinbase, and
Yeah. All are visible. Right? Your whole browser is visible.
Okay, no problem. So you can buy such a kind of Ether with using, you just put enter amount here, and you can buy like BTC or Bitcoin Cash, then Bitcoin or the Ether with using Binance. You can sell any kind of Bitcoin. You can buy Ether. You can sell Ether. You can buy Bitcoin. You can sell Bitcoin with using this kind of method, like this kind of website, like Binance.com. There are a lot of websites. For second is Coinbase.com. First is Binance.com. Second website is Coinbase. You have to create your own wallet. You have to create your own account, and then you can do any kind of transactions. You can buy any kind of Ether. You can buy any kind of Bitcoin with using Coinbase, or with using the Binance. With using Binance. Then third is Coinbase. Then third is crypto, means Gemini. There are a lot of options available here. That is a buy and sell Bitcoins and crypto. Gemini is a simple, elegant and secure way to build your Bitcoin and crypto portfolio. Buying, selling, and storing your cryptocurrency never been easier. So with using Coinbase, with using Binance, you can buy any kind of Bitcoin. You can buy any kind of Ether with using this kind of website. And last one is Kraken. So you just visit website and learn. Okay, then next. Wait, so screen visible now, presentation visible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello,
Visible,
Sir,
sir.
it's visible.
presentation visible now, right now?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, not okay, not an issue.
It's visible, sir.
Wait for a minute. Okay. So what's the Ethereum wallet and what should I use? So there's a lot of wallets available on the internet. Is MetaMask, second is my crypto, third is Trust Wallet. You can store the different kind of Ether. You can store your bitcoins with using this kind of wallet. You can interface with your smartphone with using the MetaMask, my crypto, Trust Wallet, and my Ether wallet with using this kind of wallets. So want to install a wallet, there are a lot of options available here. So first is MetaMask, second is my crypto, third is Trust Wallet, fourth is my Ether wallet, and last is Coinbase wallet. What is the difference between the Bitcoin and Ethereum? So Ethereum is not just a digital currency. So Bitcoin. So what is the Bitcoins? Bitcoin is the first decentralized cryptocurrency created by Satoshi Nakamoto. It's a pseudonym, and it's launched in 2009 by an unknown person named Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum was launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. Cryptocurrencies and here you can cryptocurrencies and worldwide payment system. Then Ethereum, a decentralized programmable platform, you can do kind of decentralized applications with using Ethereum. Bitcoin enables peer-to-peer transaction, purchase of goods and services, long-term storage. Ethereum enables peer-to-peer transactions and can handle account transaction as well as store and execute newly coded programming logics. With using Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can do such a kind of things. Okay, the next is what are the smart contract? What is a smart contracts? What are the different kind of smart contract? So what is a smart contract? So smart contracts are the executable bit of codes. In a simple language, it's just executable bit of codes. A smart contract is simply a piece of code that is running on Ethereum, and you can build different kind of smart contract with using Solidity programming language. You can build different kind of smart contract with using the Solidity programming language. So it's simple as that. A smart contract is simply a piece of code that is running on the Ethereum. No one can control smart contract. Because code that run on the Ethereum can control valuable things like ATH or the other valuable digital asset. So as simple as that, it's just an executable bit of codes, and you can build any kind of the smart contracts in Solidity programming language with using Ethereum. Okay. Okay, wait for a minute. I will demonstrate one thing here. Blockchain.anders.com. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, voice audible, no?
Yes,
Yes,
voice
sir.
is totally audible.
Okay. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Okay. So this is a website called anders.com.
Okay.
Wait. Wait for a minute. Oh. Okay, so this is anders.com. Website visible, no, sir?
Yeah, demo is visible.
Okay, no problem. So here we go. How to create a hash. So this is when you create, when you put any kind of string here, like for example, hi, your hash will completely change. When you put, so this is a one kind of block. You can say it as a block. When you put any kind of string here, for example, hi, your hash will completely change. When I put here hello, your hash will completely change. Means when you're creating any kind of new block, when you're creating such a kind of transactions in that kind of block, your block create a new hash. Means when you change any kind of string, any kind of new string, your block create a new hash. For example, here, hi, you create a new hash. Hello, you can put any number. Means when you change any kind of letter, any kind of string, your hash will completely change. Second is block. So what is a block? Block is just a block. You can store the information about whatever blockchain you create. Like it's just a block. And when your block is mined, when your block is validate, your block is added to the blockchain like a chain of blocks, right? So this is a block. It's just a one number. This is 72608. This is a nonce number. So what is a nonce number? Anybody can tell me what is a nonce? Put your answer in chat box. Hello. Put your answer in chat box. Anybody know about like what is a nonce? I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, not an issue. So it's just a nonce. When your block is mined at this position is called as a nonce. For example, if I put such kind of stuff here, like input such kind of query here, like how your block is invalid because your hash is start from it's not start from 4 zeros. So that's why your block is invalid. Means your block is not start from 4 zeros. When I put here, your block is not start from 4 zeros. When you mine this block, when you mine this kind of block, like for mining, your block, your hash start from 4 zeros and your nonce position will change. Means जब भी आप ये एक आपका ब्लॉक रहेगा, it just one kind of block. और जब भी आप कुछ भी स्ट्रिंग कुछ भी नया ट्रांजैक्शन क्रिएट कर रहे हो, जब भी आपका ब्लॉक माइन हो जाएगा, उसका जो लास्ट का नंबर जो रहेगा उसको हम नॉन्स नंबर बोलते हैं, which is called a nonce number. So this is your index, this is nonce number, this is your data, this is your hash, and your block is start from 4 zeros. Your block hash starts from it has start from 4 zeros, means your block is valid, and it will not start from 4 zeros, means your block is invalid. So you have to mine this block and add the block into the blockchain. So what is a blockchain? So here we go. This is the blockchain. So blockchain is a chain of blocks which contains the informations about. So I have already tell you about what is a hash, what is a previous block hash. So this is the first block. First block is called as the genesis block because we do not contain any kind of previous hash here. It's just 000. Second block contains the hash of the previous block as well, previous hash as well, like 001578, 00157883. And when you put any kind of string here, you will all blockchain invalid. मतलब अगर आप कुछ भी नई इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे डाल रहे हो, when you create any kind of new informations, when you put any kind of new informations, and if somebody wants to cheat the system, तो उसको हर एक चीज यहाँ पे माइन करनी पड़ेगी, हर एक चीज यहाँ पे हर एक ब्लॉक की पोजीशन चेंज करनी पड़ेगी, हर एक ब्लॉक नया हैश जनरेट करेगा. सो दैट्स द नेचर व्हिच मेक्स द ब्लॉकचेन सो सिक्योर. सो इसकी वजह से ब्लॉकचेन आजकल बहुत ज्यादा सिक्योर है और इसको हैक करना भी बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. मतलब हैक हो सकता है लेकिन हैक करना बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है because every single device is connected to the internet right now. So this is your block number, this is your nonce number, this is your data. Your block start from 4 zeros. तो हर एक को आपको माइन करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर ब्लॉक को. You have to mine each and every block. So the hash start from 4 zeros. Like mine, then you have to mine here, and wait, mine here. So when you change any kind of informations in your block create a new hash. When you change any string, when you change any letter, your block create a new hash as well. And so that's why you have to mine your block or the blockchain for the proof of work. So this is called just as simple as that. इसको हम proof of work बोल सकते हैं. That's it. then you are distributed. आपके ट्रांसफर कैसे किए जाते हैं? Blockchain is a distributed network, distributed ledger. So here we go. तो ये रहेगा आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. यहाँ पे आपके टोकन्स होंगे, लाइक टोकन ऑप्शंस एंड कॉइन बेस्ड ऑप्शन. तो यहाँ पे जैसे ने बिंग लाइक को इतना अमाउंट ट्रांसफर किया है तो उसका सब अमाउंट यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. जब भी आप कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे चेंज करते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ पे कुछ तो इन्फॉर्मेशन चेंज कर रहा हूँ, फोर कर रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे ये ब्लॉक इनवैलिड हो जाएगा. तो आपको वो ब्लॉक, कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन जब भी आप चेंज करते हो, व्हेन यू चेंज एनी काइंड ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, when you change any kind of thing, right, so आपकी यहाँ पे सब चीजें चेंज हो जाएंगी. So this is all about blockchain, this is all about tokens and Coinbase. Coinbase मतलब आपको यहाँ पे चेक करना पड़ेगा कि इसके पास ये 100 कॉइन्स कहाँ से है. तो एंड्रस के पास 100 कॉइन्स है, देन एंड्रस ने यहाँ पे सब लोगों को कॉइन्स दिए हुए हैं, सोपीज, लुका, जिमली, मेडिसन. तो एक बंदे ने सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. जस्ट peer to peer nature of work. When you change any kind of string, when you change any kind of query, your hash, your block create a new hash, your block create a new hash, that's it. So this is all about blockchain. Then all of you heard about the Hyperledger? Put your answer in chat box. All of you heard about Hyperledger? Anyone? Okay, so what is Hyperledger? Hyperledger technology like Hyperledger Fabric, Hyperledger Usura. Okay, not an issue. Okay, in blockchain, you create such a kind of transactions in a permissionless manner. Means you can create a private blockchains, you can create a public blockchain, you can create a permissionless blockchain. But जब ये enterprise पे आता है ना, when you create any kind of industry manner applications, when you create any kind of enterprise applications or any kind of enterprise market, तो blockchain ऐसा होता है कि everyone can join blockchain, everyone whoever join the blockchain, he will get all the informations about each and every sector. बट क्या होता है कि एंटरप्राइज मार्केट में जो भी हमारा इंडस्ट्री होता है, वहां पे हर एक बंदा हर एक कंपनी अपने आप का डेटा शेयर नहीं कर सकती. इसीलिए उस मैनर को परमिशंस करने के लिए, उस मैनर को परमिशंस प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन बनाने के लिए इज अ लेजर. सो उसको यहाँ पे हाइपर लेजर बनाया गया है, हाइपर लेजर. तो हाइपर लेजर इट्स नॉट अ प्लेटफॉर्म, इट्स जस्ट अ प्रोजेक्ट. ये लिनक्स फाउंडेशन के अंदर चल रहा है हाइपरलेजर. मैं सब चीजें आपको बाद में बताऊंगा, मैं जब जस्ट अभी थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट ले रहा हूं. तो ये सब चीजें मैं आपको वेट फॉर अ मिनट. सो ये रहेगा आपका हाइपरलेजर. मैं एक बार दिखा देता हूं हाइपरलेजर. ओके, सो बेसिकली it's just a project. So what is a hyperledger? So what is a Hyperledger? Hyperledger is Hyperledger is an open source community focused on developing a suite of stable frameworks, tools, and libraries for enterprise grade blockchain deployments. It serves as a neutral home for various distributed ledger framework, including Hyperledger, Fabric, Sawtooth, then NG, as well as tools like Hyperledger, Caliper, and libraries like Hyperledger User. So it's just a project. It's not a platform. It's not any kind of currency or like that way. Okay, so it's just only a project. ये Linux and Linux Foundation के अंदर create किया गया है. I think ये launch हुआ है 2015 में. Industry manual के लिए जो भी आप Ethereum में करते हो, it's different from Ethereum. It's different from Bitcoin and all other stuff. So जो भी डेटा अगर आपको securely manner करना है, अगर आपको डेटा प्राइवेट रखना है, तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे Hyperledger create किया गया है. So इसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट चलते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने बोला हाइपरलेजर फैब्रिक हुआ, Sawtooth हुआ, इंडी हुआ, देन हाइपरलेजर कैलिपर एंड हाइपरलेजर यूसा. So you can use Hyperledger for the, और इसमें बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स, बहुत सारे क्रिएशंस आप कर सकते हो, बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस क्रिएट कर सकते हो, बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो, लाइक मशीन लर्निंग सॉफ्टवेयर, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, IoT, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. Everything is available here. Like what is Hyperledger? तो हम बाद में देखेंगे कि इसकी केस स्टडीज भी दिखेंगे, इसके डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन भी देखेंगे कुछ स्टफ होने के बाद. ओके, वेट फॉर अ मिनट. Google slide. Sir, presentation visible now?
Yes, sir.
Hello, my voice.
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible and presentation is also clear.
Okay, no problem. So basically,
Of
what
course,
is
the transition is clear.
Hyperledger? Sorry. Hyperledger is an open source development project to benefits to ecosystem of Hyperledger based solution providers and users. It is focused on blockchain related use cases that will work under a variety of industrial sector. So what is Hyperledger? Hyperledger is an open source development project. It's just a project, and there are a lot of frameworks available under the Hyperledger format. So it is a focus on the blockchain related use cases that will work under a variety of industrial sector. So what is the difference between Hyperledger versus Ethereum? The Ethereum runs the smart contracts on the EVM, like Ethereum virtual applications that are attributed to being decentralized and are for the mass consumptions. And on the other hand, Hyperledger leverages blockchain technology for business. We can create a different kind of the projects with using the Hyperledgers, then in a security manner projects, in a private blockchains. Okay, so with using Hyperledgers. The next difference between the Hyperledgers and the Ethereum. So Ethereum is a confidential. Ethereum is a transparent. They are transparent. They are reliant. They are more secure because code and data inside the Ethereums are cryptographically secure. Then in Ethereum, public, private, and permissionless network available there. Like then यहाँ पे हम proof of work method use करते हैं. यहाँ पर हम proof of stake method use करेंगे Hyperledger में. Then smart contract written in Solidity. Ethereum में जो smart contract हम create करते हैं वो Solidity programming में करते हैं और यहाँ पे Hyperledger में chain create किया जाता है वो language की मतलब creation से. Okay. Hyperledger now built in cryptocurrencies. Built in a cryptocurrencies called Ether. Ethereum cryptocurrency is called Ether. So once again, Hyperledger preferred platform for B2B business, platform for B2C businesses, and generalized application. Confidential transactions, like for the private blockchain, transaction life transparency means anyone can check the transactions. Means whoever joined the blockchain, he will get all the information. Then third, mode of peer-to-peer transactions like private and personal transactions and private and permissionless network. Like a consensus, that is the proof of stake and proof of work. Chain code written in Go language, smart code written in Solidity. No building cryptocurrencies, building cryptocurrencies called Ethereum. Then यहाँ क्या होता है कि में हर एक चीज, फॉर एग्जांपल आप कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट बाय करते हो तो ब्लॉकचेन में आप किसी को दे नहीं सकते, मतलब उसके साथ चीट नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट्स आप किसी भी थर्ड पार्टी को यहाँ पे दे सकते, किसी भी थर्ड पार्टी को दे सकते विच इज Hyperledger. Okay, so you can buy, you can release your product with third parties with using Hyperledger because Hyperledger is just a private blockchain, and you can create you can create industry managed software with using Hyperledger. Then what are the frameworks? Hyperledger is painted into the two categories. First one is a modular framework and modular tools. जो हमने अभी देखे different kind of frameworks थे और tools थे, तो कौन से थे एक बार चेक करते हैं. So first है Hyperledger Fabric. तो Hyperledger Fabric किसके लिए use करते हैं? Why we are using the Hyperledger Fabric? So Fabric network, the peer node execute chain code. Like in Ethereum, we create a smart contract with using the Solidity programming language, and here we create a chain code with using the Go language. Access ledger data, endorse transactions, and interface with application. Whereas the order nodes handle the consistency of blockchains and deliver the approved transactions to the peer of the network. Then next, Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger Fabric is a permissions blockchain. I already told you. Permissions blockchain. यहाँ पे आप जो भी करते हो वो permission के बिना एक लेके करना पड़ता है. Infrastructure that features modular architectures wherein there is delineations of roles between the nodes in the infrastructure, the execution of smart contracts along with the configurable consensus and the membership services. Fabric was the result of joint venture of IBM and Digital Asset. It was primarily developed as an integration framework. So then second, Hyperledger Burrow, or you can say Burrow, whatever you say. Burrow is a Hyperledger project hosted by Linux Foundation in 2015. It allows a modular blockchain client to develop permissible smart contract machines that has the specifications of EVM, like Ethereum virtual machine. And thanks to proof of stake consensus engine, Burrow promises to deliver high transaction throughout the transaction finality. अगर आपको कोई भी transactions करना है with using Hyperledger, transactions का कोई भी कुछ भी चीज करनी है with using the Hyperledger Burrow आप कर सकते हो. Then hyperledger ND. By the way, hyperledger ND किसके लिए use किया जाता है? Hyperledger ND is a distributed ledger. Why we are using hyperledger ND? Hyperledger ND is a distributed ledger that was designed with a decentralized identity manner. It includes a range of libraries, reusable components, and tools that lets you create digital identity on a blockchain network. Once again, Hyperledger NG is a distributed ledger that was designed with a centralized identity in mind. It includes a range of libraries, reusable components, and tools that lets you create digital identities on a blockchain network. Indy provides a robust and secure ecosystem for private digital identity. Instead of storing a user private data on the ledger, Indy uses blockchain technology to allow third parties to validate that trusted organizations are used issued private credentials or identities. By doing so, Indy gives more control to users to their private data, thereby safeguarding their information from malicious attacks and data breaches. अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन बताता हूँ कि आपका जो मेटामास्क होता है, मेटामास्क है उसके मैं कुछ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दूंगा, कुछ एग्जांपल दूंगा. सो बेसिकली आपको यहाँ पे फॉर अ मिनट ओके, ये रहेगा आपका मेटामास्क. MetaMask यहाँ पे मैंने ओपन कर दिया. You can add extension for your Google Chrome browser or the Firefox browser, whatever you want. And how to buy a test ether? अगर आपको Ethereum network के साथ interaction करना है, like you want to buy such a kind of test ether, तो with using MetaMask आप ले सकते हो. तो first आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसका extension मिलेगा आपको एक. So what is a MetaMask? Wait for a minute. I'm gonna play one video. What is a MetaMask here? So voice is audible or not? Video voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, your voice is clear, sir.
Lots of apps you use this
Wait.
to be free, but they actually come at a cost. Shows the internet isn't very secure. Strangers, credit cards are stolen, identities get hacked. She has to navigate a maze of ads just to surf the web. She knows someone is always watching. But she
Wait for a minute. I'll just change the quality. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just share my screen here. Wait. Screen visible?
Yes, sir. MetaMask is showing.
Okay, okay, no problem.
This is Sam. Sam uses the internet just like the rest of us. Lots of apps she uses seem to be free, but they actually come at a cost. She knows the internet isn't very secure and strangers own her data. Credit cards are stolen, identities get hacked. She has to navigate a maze of ads just to surf the web, and she knows someone is always watching. But she's heard there's a better way. And then Sam sees it, the promise of a new internet powered by the Ethereum
Video voice audible or not?
Yes, sir.
blockchain.
Okay.
An amazing combination of technologies the world is building together that are reinventing how we connect.
Sir, can you increase the voice level?
But to access
Sir, I already increased full of voice, like 100%.
this new world, she needs the right tools. Meet MetaMask, your connection to the new web. MetaMask is the tool Sam needs to access this new world. It's a key that connects her to new types of applications. It's a wallet that keeps her data and valuables safe and sound. And it's a shield that protects her from hackers and data collectors. With MetaMask, Sam is ready to explore this new internet safely and securely. The possibilities are endless. Sam can use next-generation applications that give control back to the users and the community, own her data, and move seamlessly between sites, and send money across the world at a fraction of the cost. Create new organizations with new currencies that bind her communities together. Crowdsource projects in art, or invest in other people's creations. Sound too good to be true? Well, with great freedom comes great responsibility. Sam controls her own identity on this new internet. No more new passwords for every site she visits. Just a secret phrase that controls her accounts. This phrase is her login, her password, and her proof of ownership all wrapped up in one.
So Sam has to keep it as safe as she possibly can.
Now that she's installed MetaMask, Sam's ready to explore the best version of the internet. Vote, crowdfund, buy stuff, publish writing, make art, hire freelancers. What will Sam do first? Whatever she wants. The internet is hers to explore. Welcome to a new kind of internet. Welcome to MetaMask.
Welcome to MetaMask, new kind of internet. So basically, आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे? My voice is audible now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to install the extension for your Google Chrome browser or the Firefox. So you just download. I already had an account on MetaMask. So I just open account here. Maybe I just remove once again. Maybe people know how MetaMask. Okay. Network problem. Okay, तो first आपको MetaMask install करना है on your Google Chrome browser for your extension ऐड करना है Google Chrome और Firefox के लिए. Sir, anyone can you please share your screen with me? Because I already had a MetaMask account, so मैं आपको installation के साथ बता सकता हूँ. तो अगर किसी की स्क्रीन चल रही है तो फिर उसकी स्क्रीन हम शेयर कर सकते हैं. मैं बताऊंगा कि क्या करना है. नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
पार्टिसिपेंट में से कोई स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकता है क्या?
सर किसके रिगार्डिंग शेयर करना है, मतलब क्या?
गूगल क्रोम ओपन करना है, हमें मेटामास्क इंस्टॉल करना है, उसकी इंस्टॉलेशन की प्रोसीजर बतानी है, क्योंकि कैसे क्या आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेटामास्क अकाउंट, सो दैट्स व्हाई।
ओके, मेटामास्क, तो
हाँ।
आई एम ट्राइंग टू शेयर माई सेल्फ।
ओके श्योर, नो प्रॉब्लम देन।
Okay, tell me, sir.
Okay.
Is it visible?
No sir, can I stop my sharing?
Yes.
Stop presenting, okay, no problem. Please share your screen. Okay, open your MetaMask.
On Google,
Yes, yes.
MetaMask.
Enter. First. Yes.
Download.
No, download now. Scroll down.
On which platform?
Install MetaMask. Like Chrome. Install
Chrome.
MetaMask for your browser. Yes, Chrome. Scroll down. Okay, install MetaMask for Chrome. Yes, that's it. Add extension to your Google Chrome browser. Add to Chrome. Yes. Add extension. Wait for a minute. Okay, turn on sync. Get started. Click on get started. Create a wallet, second option. Then I agree. Click on I agree. Yes. Create your own secret password. Okay, I have read the terms and condition and accept. Create. Okay, not an issue. Click here to reveal secret words. Copy all the words and copy all the words. Open your okay. Copy all the words. So open new tab and paste it there.
Okay.
Paste. Okay. Go to back जाइए. MetaMask में जाइए आप.
Okay.
Okay. वहां पे ही जाइए. अब नेक्स्ट कीजिए. नेक्स्ट. ओके, जितने भी वर्ड्स डाले थे ना हमने वहां पे, वो यहाँ पे डालना है, जो हमने न्यू टैब में पेस्ट किए हुए हैं ना, तो यहाँ पे कॉपी नहीं होंगे, वो एक एक करके डालना पड़ेगा. ब्रोकन पायोनियर गैलेक्सी में बताता हूँ. ब्रोकन पायोनियर गैलेक्सी. ब्रोकन फर्स्ट ब्रोकन है. पायोनियर सेकेंड.
Select ना broken.
फर्स्ट ब्रोकन पायोनियर गैलेक्सी. गैलेक्सी उसके बाद कौन सा देखो तो, गैलेक्सी के बाद ब्लूम पंकिन पियानो. ब्लूम पंकिन पियानो. उसके बाद
Crunch negative power.
क्रंच नेगेटिव पावर. यस, क्रंच नेगेटिव पावर. देन उसके बाद
Reveal render 3.
रिवील रेंडर 3.
Okay.
Okay, confirm. Yes, all done. Congratulations, all done. Okay. So अगर यहाँ पे आपको you have to buy such a kind of test ether. So please change your main Ethereum network to Rinkeby test network. ऊपर कॉर्नर में सर, main Ethereum network. Rinkeby, click on the Rinkeby test network.
Test network.
Yes. Then click on deposit. Sorry. Just a minute. Close. Account details corner. Account details. ऊपर
Okay.
थोड़ा. Yes. View on Etherscan. Please copy the address in the corner. Yes, copy address. Only address. आपका कोई ट्विटर अकाउंट है, ट्विटर या फिर फेसबुक कोई अकाउंट है ट्विटर का,
FB है,
या फिर कोई गूगल प्लस वगैरह कुछ है आपके पास, ट्विटर, गूगल प्लस, फेसबुक कुछ भी हो?
फेसबुक पे FB है।
फेसबुक पे आई थिंक दिक्कत आएगी थोड़ी, फिर भी डालते हैं, जो कोई इशू नहीं है, एक बार डालिए
ये
फेसबुक।
कहाँ?
हाँ फेसबुक ओपन कीजिए आप। वहां पे एक पोस्ट क्रिएट कीजिए, आई वांट सम ईथर।
पोस्ट
क्रिएट,
नाउ।
हाँ पोस्ट क्रिएट कीजिए। हाँ, आई वांट सम ईथर, डबल डॉट डालिए ऊपर वाला, ऐसा नहीं रहता क्या, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
क्या आपने डबल डॉट बोला, क्या बोला?
हाँ वही है, जो स्लाइड्स ऊपर वाला होता है, जो अलग लेवल पे जो हम एरो दिखाते हैं। ठीक है कोई नहीं, एक एड्रेस डाल दीजिए, आप एड्रेस डाल सकते हो। हाँ यस, वही सत्येंद्र सुनारे सर ने अभी जो डाला है, यस, एंड पोस्ट। ओके, किया पोस्ट आपने?
किया।
उस पोस्ट के ऊपर जाइए आप। एक मिनट, उसका एड्रेस कॉपी करना है आपको, एक मिनट। उसी पोस्ट को आप एक मिनट क्लिक कीजिए वहां पे, पोस्ट पे, एक मिनट, टर्न ऑन नोटिफिकेशन, चेंज एम्बेड। वेट फॉर अ मिनट सर, मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ, जस्ट अ मिनट, स्टॉप कीजिए आप प्लीज। ओके, योर एंटायर स्क्रीन। स्क्रीन विजिबल?
यस।
ओके, मैं इसको भी निकाल देता हूँ, फिर से यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल कर लेता हूँ, तभी हो पाएगा वो। इट स्टार्टेड डाउनलोड, डाउनलोड मेरा मस्त है, मेरे पास है, फिर भी कर रहा हूँ अभी। वेट फॉर मिनट, रिमूव एक्सटेंशन, add to Chrome, add extension, manage extension, okay. Get started, तो यहाँ पे आपको get started करना है, create a wallet and click on the I agree, then यहाँ पे पासवर्ड क्रिएट करना है, then I have read the terms and conditions, create, then copy, ticket away wonder test, ticket away wonder test, ticket away wonder test, ticket away wonder test, then submit come, submit come, and outdoor manual, outdoor manual, outdoor manual, wait for a minute, run में cigar, simmer, confirm, all done. ओके तो मैं अभी क्या करूँगा, मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक ऑन रिंकीवे टेस्ट नेटवर्क पे जाऊँगा, देन डिटेल्स यहाँ पे लूँगा, यहाँ पे आपको एक एड्रेस लेना है, कॉपी द एड्रेस, वेट, कॉपी and put on the Twitter, for example, login yaar. Okay, not an issue. So here we go. I want some ether, Control V and tweet. वेट करने के बाद आपको यहाँ का एड्रेस लेना है, कॉपी करना है, कॉपी करने के बाद आपको मेटामास्क में जाना है फिर से। ओके क्लोज, यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट में जाना है, गेट ईथर, क्लिक ऑन द गेट ईथर, देन गो टू द क्रिप्टो फॉसेट, गो टू द क्रिप्टो फॉसेट, देन यहाँ पे वो कॉपी करना है ट्विटर, गिव मी ईथर लाइक 3 ईथर्स इन 8 आवर्स। मे बी मैंने ऑलरेडी लिए हुए ईथर इसलिए मेरे को आइडिया नहीं, पता नहीं है, आप लोगों को आ जाएंगे क्योंकि आप फर्स्ट ट्राई कर रहे होंगे तो आपको 3 ईथर्स मिल जाएंगे। फिर भी मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ, फंडेड, ओके आई थिंक आ गए हैं। ओके हियर वी गो। ओके यहाँ पे मेरे 3 ईथर्स आ गए हैं, 3 ईथर आ गए हैं मेरे यहाँ पे। अगर आपको कोई भी टेस्ट नेटवर्क के लिए, अगर आप, बिकॉज हम लर्न कर रहे हैं, अगर आपको टेस्ट ईथर चाहिए, टेस्ट ईथर आपको फॉसेट से मिल जाएंगे विद यूजिंग फॉसेट। यहाँ पे मैंने टेस्ट ईथर लिए हैं। अभी स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को यू नो आई वांट टू इंटरैक्ट स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड मेटामास्क, सो सेम प्रोसेस करनी है आपको कि आपको यहाँ पे मेटामास्क सेम। ओके हेलो, हेलो, माय वॉइस ऑडिबल ना?
Yes, sir. Audible.
एंड स्क्रीन?
Yes, the screen is also visible.
ओके देन इसके बाद स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट करना है हमें। तो स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं मैं यहाँ पे बता रहा हूँ आपको। तो यहाँ पे आपको स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट करना है। तो यहाँ पे मैं बैंक का स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ। व्हेन यू अगर आपका किसी भी बैंक में अकाउंट होगा तो आप बैंक में आपकी 3 चीजें चलती हैं। तो आप विड्रॉ करते हो या फिर डिपॉजिट करते हो, और लास्ट का एक ऑप्शन होता है, मतलब आप अपना बैलेंस देखते हो। सो इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी हैड यू नो अकाउंट इन द बैंक, सो यू हैव टू राइट स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लाइक दिस। तो यहाँ पे आपको जो भी हमारा स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा वो सॉलिडिटी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में होगा। तो आपको सॉलिडिटी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में ये स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आपको क्रिएट करना है। तो यहाँ पे मैं कंपाइलर लेवल सेट कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज अ प्रैग्मा सॉलिडिटी 0.4.25। यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का नाम दे रहा हूँ। स्क्रीन विजिबल ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, not an issue then.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Screen is visible.
Okay, this is contract name, that is a bank, or you can put any kind of name like bank dot whatever you want. Then यहाँ पे मैंने एक डेटा टाइप डाला हुआ है, वेरिएबल भी डाला हुआ है। देन यहाँ पे 3 फंक्शन में यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा हूँ। कंस्ट्रक्टर फंक्शन भी डाला हुआ है यहाँ पे। उसके बाद 3 फंक्शंस यूज कर रहा हूँ, गेट बैलेंस, विड्रॉ एंड यू नो विड्रॉ आई थिंक यहाँ पे गलत हो गया, विड्रॉ एंड लास्ट इज डिपॉजिट। मतलब जब भी आपका किसी भी बैंक में अकाउंट होता है तो उस बैंक में आपको 3 चीजें करनी है, एक तो विड्रॉ करना है, डिपॉजिट करना है और गेट बैलेंस करना है। तो यहाँ पे मैंने 3 फंक्शन यहाँ पे डाल दिए हैं। वहां पे आपको कंपाइलर लेवल सेट करनी है, यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का नाम देना है, यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल और एक डेटा टाइप सेट करना है, देन कंस्ट्रक्टर फंक्शन देना है। ये होने के बाद यहाँ पे आपको जाना है सॉलिडिटी कंपाइलर में, देन इसको कंपाइल करना है, कंपाइल bank.sol। ओके तो यहाँ पे मैंने कंपाइल कर दिया। मे बी ये डिप्लॉय होगा कि नहीं पता नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे मैं डिप्लॉय पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ। अभी आपको यहाँ पे जब आप मेटामास्क से इंटरैक्ट करोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इंजेक्टेड वेब3 करोगे। मतलब व्हेन यू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शंस यू हैव टू पे सच अ काइंड ऑफ गैस फीस। तो गैस फीस क्या होती है ये सब मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा। तो जब भी आप मेटामास्क से इंटरैक्ट करोगे तब आपका एड्रेस यहाँ पे आ जाएगा जब आप यहाँ पे इंजेक्टेड वेब3 यूज करते हो। तो नॉर्मली हम जावास्क्रिप्ट में कर रहे हैं, तो जावास्क्रिप्ट वीएम कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे एंड देन डिप्लॉय। ओके यहाँ पे हमारा डिप्लॉय हो चुका है। तो हमने कौन कौन से यहाँ पे फंक्शन डाले थे, जैसे कि डिपॉजिट, विड्रॉ एंड गेट बैलेंस। तो यहाँ पे मैं कुछ डिपॉजिट कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि 100 डिपॉजिट कर रहा हूँ और गेट बैलेंस चेक कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। तो मेरा 101 हुआ, मतलब यहाँ पे 1 ही बैलेंस था। तो यहाँ पे मैंने डिपॉजिट किया 100 रुपीज। तो 100 रुपीज होने के बाद मेरे को यहाँ पे गेट बैलेंस बता रहा है 101, राइट? यस और नो? देन सेकेंड, अगर यहाँ पे मैं विड्रॉ डालता हूँ 30, विड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ एंड गेट बैलेंस, तो मेरे यहाँ पे 71 दिखाएगा। तो नॉर्मल क्या करना है कि आप अब यू नो यू कैन क्रिएट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। तो यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट किए हैं, और अगला जो सेशन होगा उसमें हम 8 से 9 स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे और उसको डिप्लॉय भी करेंगे। देन हम बहुत ज्यादा डिसेंट्रलाइज एप्लीकेशंस भी क्रिएट करेंगे। तो ये स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो होता है हम इथेरियम की मदद से क्रिएट करते हैं, मतलब इन सॉलिडिटी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें क्या करना है, हमें remix.ethereum.org पे जाना है, remix.ethereum.org, या फिर आपका सॉलिडिटी का जो परमानेंट आईडी होगा उस पे जाना है। देन उसके बाद आपको यहाँ पे pragmasolidity.sol आपको यहाँ पे एक फाइल क्रिएट करनी है .sol की, बैंक SOL की। देन यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नेम देना है, फंक्शन टीम क्रिएट करनी है, गेट बैलेंस, यू वांट टू क्रिएट 3 फंक्शंस लाइक गेट बैलेंस, विथड्रॉ एंड डिपॉजिट। एंड देन यहाँ पे आपको बैलेंस इक्वल्स टू बैलेंस माइनस अमाउंट, यहाँ पे विथड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, बैलेंस प्लस अमाउंट, मतलब यहाँ पे इट जस्ट नॉर्मल स्क्रिप्ट। ओके, देन इसके बाद आपको जाना है यहाँ पे आपको कंपाइल करना है, कोई भी फाइल आप ऐसे ही कंपाइल करना है। यहाँ पे आप कंपाइलर लेवल सेट कर सकते हो, आपको जो भी कंपाइलर चाहिए। लैंग्वेज सॉलिडिटी, यहाँ पे 3 लैंग्वेज मिलेंगी, आई थिंक वाइपर भी यहाँ पे मिलेंगे, लेकिन मैंने वाइपर इंस्टॉल नहीं किया हुआ है। देन यहाँ पे आपको इसको डिप्लॉय करना है, दैट्स इट, यही आपका स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है। देन इसको हम मेटामास्क के साथ जब हम इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, तो when you do any kind of transactions, when you run any kind of script, you have to pay such a kind of gas fees। ये हम टेस्ट के लिए कर रहे हैं, ये हम लर्निंग के लिए कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमें कुछ मतलब ज्यादा चीजों की कुछ जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है। ओके, स्क्रीन विजिबल ना? Can you explain the process again? Once again, can I process? Can I sorry, can I explain process once again?
Yes, sir. Screen is visible. Please continue.
Okay. So first, तो ये रहेगा आपका पहला स्मार्ट कॉन्टैक्ट, इसको बोलते हैं हम hello bank.sol। देन उसके बाद हमने क्रिएट किया था hello blockchain.json। तो इसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे, उससे पहले हम जाते हैं इथेरियम में। ये सब चीजें मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा। सो बेसिकली आपको जब भी इन ब्लॉकचेन इंडस्ट्री आपको सब चीजें पता होनी चाहिए। ब्लॉकचेन क्या होता है, बिटकॉइन क्या होता है, इथेरियम क्या होता है, देन बहुत सारी क्रिप्टो करेंसीज क्या होती है, उनको बाय करना, सेल करना, देन उनको माइन करना क्या होता है, प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक क्या होता है, प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क क्या होता है, देन हाइपर लेजर में कौन कौन से फ्रेमवर्क होते हैं, वो कैसे वर्क करते हैं, कैसे एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट करते हैं, देन IBM ब्लॉकचेन क्या होता है, IBM ब्लॉकचेन में कैसे एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट किए जाते हैं। तो ये सब मेथड आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करती है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे मैं एक वेबसाइट को विजिट कर रहा हूँ, इथेरियम। तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा चीजें दी हुई है, जो मैंने बताया था कि व्हाट इज इथेरियम, इथेरियम क्या होता है, उसके बारे में आपको यहाँ पर इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएंगी। ओके, देन सॉरी, वेट फॉर अ मिनट। ओके, इथेरियम क्या होता है उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएंगे। लॉन्च इन 2015, इथेरियम इज अ वर्ल्ड वाइड प्रोग्रामेबल ब्लॉकचेन। देन राइट नाउ थाउजेंड ऑफ डेवलपर्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड आर बिल्डिंग एप्लीकेशंस ऑन द इथेरियम। तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा जितने भी डिसेंट्रलाइज एप्लीकेशंस क्रिएट किए हुए हैं वहाँ यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएंगे कौन कौन से डिसेंट्रलाइज एप्लीकेशंस यहाँ पे क्रिएट किए हुए हैं। फिर उसके बाद आपको पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाट इज ईथर, आपको जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगी। हाउ टू बाय ईथर, हाउ टू बाय ईथर ETH, देन इथेरियम मॉनेटरी पॉलिसीज, देन यू यूज इथेरियम का यूज कहाँ कर सकते हैं, यू कैन बिल्ड द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस। तो मैं सभी एप्लीकेशंस आपको यहाँ पे एक बार ओपन करके देता हूँ। हियर आर द जस्ट फ्यूज एप्लीकेशंस। तो ये गिटकॉइन जो है नेटवर्क, ये सब डिसेंट्रलाइज एप्लीकेशंस इथेरियम के प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्रिएट किए गए हुए हैं। इसी तरह के आप बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं विद यूजिंग इथेरियम, विद यूजिंग यू कैन क्रिएट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विद यूजिंग ब्लॉकचेन। सो दिस इज अ गिटकॉइन, दिस इज decentralized, then Dharma, देन ये सब इनके ट्रांजैक्शन जो होंगे वो सब मेटामास्क से रिलेटेड, इनका जो इंटरेक्शन चलता है सब मेटामास्क से ही चलता है। देन DAI योगर, ओके। सो तो इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स है कि जो इथेरियम के ऊपर क्रिएट किए गए हैं, जैसे कि योगा हुआ, यहाँ पे बेटिंग चलती है, आई थिंक ये बेटिंग क्या ही होगा। तो इसमें आप ईथर हो या फिर बिटकॉइन हो उससे ट्रांजैक्शन कर सकते हो। देन सेंड बोल के यहाँ पे कोई भी आप पे देयर इज वन प्लेटफॉर्म व्हेन यू पोस्ट एनीथिंग आपको यहाँ पे फीस देनी पड़ेगी सेज अपडेट यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी यू कैन तो ये कैसे वर्क करता है ये भी यहाँ पे इसका एक वीडियो होगा ये भी देख लेना आप वॉइस ऑडिबल
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how it works? Saint is a network where creator and fans are on income together. तो यहाँ पे जो भी पोस्ट करता है उसे वहाँ पे सेंट में पैसे मिल जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे भी डिसेंट्रलाइज एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट किए गए विद यूजिंग इथेरियम. देन गॉड्स अनचेन बहुत सारे गेम्स भी यहाँ पे क्रिएट किए गए हुए हैं. ये वाला सेंस तो यहाँ आप स्टार्ट करने के आपको कुछ करना है. तो बहुत सारे पे आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो यूजिंग इथेरियम. तो ये सारे इतने सारे एप्लीकेशंस में क्रिएट for a minute. Okay, उससे वीडियो में दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि पीपल यूजिंग डिजिटल ब्लॉकचेन हम यूज क्यों कर रहे हैं. हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
okay, not an issue, just a minute. Hmm. Can I rejoin once again? Was there is issue?
Yes, sir, you can.
Wait, just a minute.
Kindly wait for a couple. Kindly wait for a couple of minutes. Sir will rejoin the session.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Okay, okay, okay. Actually नेटवर्क इशू है यहाँ पे, so that's why. Okay, मैं एक वीडियो आपको शेयर कर रहा हूँ. Just a minute. Screen visible, na? Wait for a minute.
In India, 1984, the Prime Minister at the time was assassinated.
Video visible, na? Hello.
There was a lot of religious backlash.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, okay, no problem.
A lot of people were killed. There were elections. Some of the things we saw as little kids were very shocking. Just the picture of somebody forcing you to vote at the point. That was one of the figured out technology can prevent things like that from happening.
उसको कॉल आ रहा है, कॉल करूंगी तो फिर.
When the trust in government institutions goes bankrupt and there's no alternative that can be found, whether it's in the government or in the opposition of that government, that trust needs to go elsewhere.
That's a lot of trust, and people have trusted that system for many generations, and we've kind of lost that trust. So we see blockchain as the most promising vehicle which can help rebuild some of that trust.
The founding principles of what you call the blockchain world today are in the Bitcoin white paper. And in this white paper, you can see that really the founding principle, in some ways, it's related to decentralization and trustlessness.
Votum is a blockchain-based mobile voting company. We figured the best approach to push this industry forward is to prove that you can run a large private election on blockchain. We got connected with the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, who in 2015 let their fans vote on who was going to be inducted into the Rock Hall. They picked essentially an off-the-shelf voting system, and within a couple of days, the vote was hacked. We ran their election in 2016. We got 1.5 million votes that run through our blockchain platform. They vote on the candidates by simply checking a box. Once that happens, they submit a packet of that vote that then goes out to all the nodes simultaneously. Each node then runs through this validation check. Is the voter a valid voter? Is that ballot a legitimate ballot? Did it come from an IP address that we know is blacklisted? Assuming that all those independent nodes then come to the same conclusion, they talk then to another node and say, yes, this is legit. Yes, is this legit? Yes, this is legit. It's then written to the blockchain and it's tied to the previous vote before it. And that just continues to happen as the votes come in. Unfortunately, there is a movement back to paper, and there's a trade-off. When you force people to go to a polling place and fill out paper, that's actually disenfranchising a lot of people who just cannot get to the polling place.
When some people think about our state, they might not necessarily think about innovation, much less West Virginia utilizing blockchain technology for the first time in the history of the United States in an election. Any new technology, any move, any step this big, you have to start small. And we started here in Montague County and in Harrison County in our state, the two counties with experienced county clerks, decades of experience.
हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
अनम्यूट किया था क्या मेरे को?
No, sir. नहीं नहीं sir.
ओके नहीं, मैं ट्राई कर रहा था, अनम्यूट ही नहीं हो रहा था। ओके, तो वीडियो देख लिया ना?
Yes, sir. वीडियो तो देख लिया पर थोड़े टाइम के लिए आपका कुछ स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रहा था, वॉइस भी नहीं आ रहा था।
वॉइस नहीं आ रहा था क्या? ओके, कोई इशू नहीं है, ठीक है। ओके, तो इथेरियम डेवलपमेंट के लिए अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो इथेरियम स्टूडियो अवेलेबल है, लाइक सॉलिडिटी आईडी। देन यू कैन क्रिएट, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी क्रिएट किए हुए हैं, बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस भी क्रिएट किए हुए हैं ऑलरेडी, ये असेंबल्स हुए, मतलब ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है ethereum.org पे या ethereum.org की वेबसाइट्स पे, तो आप वहाँ से क्रिएट कर सकते हो। तो कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं, स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैसे क्रिएट किए जाते हैं, देन डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड एप्लीकेशन कैसे क्रिएट किए जाते हैं विद यूजिंग इथेरियम, आप देख सकते हो। Save transaction deploy। तो कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं, यहाँ पे सब प्रोसीजर आपको मिल जाएंगे, जो बेसिक एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं जैसे कि हेलो वर्ल्ड हुआ या फिर टोकन जैसे एप्लीकेशन टेम्पलेट पहले से अवेलेबल होते हैं, वो सिर्फ आपको लेने पड़ते हैं। व्हेन यू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शंस यू हैव टू पे सच काइंड ऑफ गैस फीस। ओके, देन इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसके बाद जो सेशन होगा उसमें 8 स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे, देन उसको इथेरियम मेटामास्क के साथ इंटरैक्ट करेंगे। देन उसके बाद हम एक ब्लॉकचेन क्रिएट करेंगे इन जावास्क्रिप्ट विद यूजिंग विजुअल स्टूडियो। ओके, तो अभी
ओके सर।
ओके, तो क्वेश्चन होंगे तो आप पूछ सकते या फिर हेलो।
हाँ, yes sir. Is the session over now?
हाँ, यस।
Okay, now the session is over. We move on to the question and answer session. So I would request the participant to unmute yourself and ask if you have any query. Is there anyone?
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Sir, my question is, why we mine all blockchains? When you are giving demo of blockchain, you are mining all the blockchains.
ओके, एक्चुअली माइंड किस लिए करते हैं कि उसमें जो इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, व्हेन यू क्रिएट एनी काइंड ऑफ ब्लॉक, द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज रियल वन और फेक वंस, ये सब चेक करने के लिए हम ब्लॉक माइन करते हैं बेसिकली।
तो फिर ये कैसे चेक करता है कि इंफॉर्मेशन रियल है या नहीं है?
इंफॉर्मेशन रियल या नहीं, जब हम क्रिएट करेंगे, अभी तो मैंने सब थ्योरेटिकली बताया, जब हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कैसे करते हैं।
ओके सर।
जब हम ब्लॉकचेन क्रिएट करेंगे तब हमको पता चल जाएगा कि माइन कैसे किया जाता है और ये क्यों करते हैं। ओके
Okay, sir. And sir, what is the difference between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash?
Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, I will answer all the questions. You just put your questions in chat box. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Can we build career in blockchain developer? Is there any requirement or not in its sector? I think every year, I think 2 lakhs blockchain developer we want. In Indian industry, अभी तो 2 लाख ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर चाहिए इंडिया में, तो बहुत ज्यादा वैकेंसी भी आ रही है ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर की, और सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेंड अभी ब्लॉकचेन और साइबर सिक्योरिटी का चल रहा है। ओके, हैकिंग का 74,000 का है। तो सबसे ज्यादा ट्रेंड तो साइबर सिक्योरिटी और ब्लॉकचेन में ही चल रहा है, जितनी ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है। अगर आप इंटरनेट पे भी डालोगी तो उनका पे स्केल भी बहुत ज्यादा हाई होता है अभी, अब अगर आप ब्लॉकचेन के बारे में सोचते हो या फिर सिक्योरिटी के बारे में सोचते हो।
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. It will.
और मैं कुछ यस
Yes, sir. Continue.
हाँ, मैं कुछ टूल्स भी आपको दूंगा, कुछ टूल्स की लिस्ट भी दूंगा यहाँ पे चैट बॉक्स में, तो आप प्लीज इंस्टॉल कर लेना जब भी आप वर्क करोगे तो। ओके, ठीक है।
Feedback
Okay,
link
ma'am.
is shared. Okay, sir. Feedback link is shared in the chat box. Kindly fill before leaving the session. Thank you so much, sir. It was really a great session for the participants, and they received bulk of knowledge too. The way you explain the topic is exemplary.
Thank you.
Now, there is a small announcement. Another session on blockchain technology is scheduled today at 2 p.m. I would request all of the participants to attend the session.
Can I leave the meeting?
Yes, sir. Now you can leave.
Okay.
Participants can also leave after filling the feedback link. Another session is scheduled at 2 p.m. So kindly join the session.